Fixed crown and bridge restorations created with metal ceramic solutions are economical and highly aesthetic at the same time. The convenient handling properties, together with the clever combination of materials and the effective interaction of the system components, produce long-lasting results. A metal framework fabricated with conventional or digital methods provides the final restoration with a strong foundation. The IPS Style metal ceramic material offers dental labs maximum efficiency, easy handling, and lifelike aesthetics. You are free to choose the protocol that suits you. The creative possibilities will amaze you, irrespective of whether you prefer to use the highly aesthetic multiple layer technique or the straightforward single layer method. IPS Style imparts restorations with a lifelike effect of depth. IPS Ivory Color is suitable for characterizing and glazing IPS Style restorations. It produces lifelike, customized results. In addition to a comprehensive range of colors, the universal staining and glazing system features two different types of glazing materials. One has fluorescent properties, while the other one does not. The Programmat P710 G2 is the premium furnace of the Programmat family of products. It features exciting, innovative technology and an exclusive design, including a new reporting service to simplify machine maintenance. The Programmat P710 G2 ensures high-quality firing results and reproducible outcomes. The new user interface of the Programmat P710 G2 allows the furnace to be operated with utmost ease. Innovative infrared technology ensures consistent and reproducible firing results of the highest quality. Zircad cement is used to place metal-supported restorations effortlessly and economically. The material is easy to handle and it simplifies and speeds up cementation procedures. It is exceptionally easy and uncomplicated to clean up. The unique Servitec Plus varnish protects high-quality restorations by effectively controlling germs and thereby maintaining the good condition of restorations for a long time. This dependable and versatile portfolio allows you to enhance the aesthetic quality of metal ceramic restorations and increase the cost-effectiveness of their production. If you would like to learn more about the efficient treatment process, please visit our product pages for additional information.